Hey everyone, you all are having means I'm grateful that to welcoming you all again to my channel. And yeah, I uh, I decided to share one of the issue which I faced. I don't wanna to other people. I wanted to help the other means other developer that they can solve this quickly. So that's why I decided to create this video. So the scenario in my case was like we were I created one classic service console app, and also further I decided to move that into the Lightning console app. Okay, so what happened, like there in my scenario there were one quick action button which used to call via page that render in the Salesforce classic UI perfectly, means there. But in case of Lightning, when we moved on Lightning, then the fields, the quick actions pop up firstly get open, and there used to be a multiple scroll bar used to come. And even the one restriction with the quick action is like we cannot increase the width of the quick action window. So because of that, like my view were having a multiple fields, and because of that the sum of fields get overlapped, the UI got disturbed. So to solve this issue, what we decided to create one custom button of URL type, and from URL type I was referring my view page. Okay, so and I imported that my button on my layout record page, and from there I was opening. So during that I faced some challenges, like to how do I gonna identify, how I gonna identify that whether it is login with with say classic console app or Lightning console app. Okay, because we have to refer only the same view. Okay, then one more challenge, like tab title used to be disturbed, like because of the URL. Suppose I created on account, so in and the button name is create case. So 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 tab name was coming account, but I was expecting that that should come as a create case. Okay. Whereas in the classic it was behaving expected, like it was coming new case. This is happening because I was calling that custom button from the account. So what I decided in the VF, I means in the VF page, by default I mentioned the title in my Apex page tag, that title equal to new case. And like in the script JavaScript tag, I mentioned that if we are logging, like when our page get loaded, the script also executed first. So when it used to check, like if we are in console login, means from the like to check that whether we are logged in with in a classic console app. This way we can check, like say sforce.console.isInConsole. If that is, then I am setting this sforce console set tab title name is detail. Okay, so here what was happening. Okay, so here in this kind of functions we do not have in a Lightning console app. So that's why I by default I given title which is expected in the Lightning, and in the script I have added this, so that if when we moved on to, when we come on the classic, then it should behave same as before. So that's full, this change fulfill my that need. And further there were there were one more scenarios in Lightning I faced, like on creation of the case I should redirect that to the my newly created case record. So in that scenario, for to fulfill that scenario, what I did, I make one change. Okay, I check, like we do not have options to check for the Lightning one. So I check this way, like if we are not logged in with classic console, then I'm using the sforce.one.navigateToURL function, where I mention Lightning, because I'm opening this view in a view mode. So I am navigating my control to this URL. So this is gonna open my Lightning page for the newly created record. So this way I fulfill my that challenge. I got resolved my that challenge. Even you can, the similar way you can redirect your list view and your if you are now open in edit mode. Similarly you can put like the value of this will be differed as per your operation, and this, but this way you can use this sforce one navigation to URL. This and the important snippets of code I'm gonna attach in my descriptions. Yeah, that's all I wanted to cover here, and hope you all are like, you will, means the people who are needy will find it helpful. Thank you all for being patient and for listening me. Thank you so much here.